Welcome to your 321Forms user account. I'm going to show you how to begin filling out your forms by doing something called Household Setup. To do your Household Setup, you can either select the Household Setup tab or go ahead and select the Fill Out Forms tab, and that will direct you to where you need to go. As we can see, we will be asked to enter some basic information about our household. We'll go ahead and input that information quickly. The nice thing about this process is that this basic information will only be asked once and will be populated across our multiple forms for our new hire paperwork. Once you have input your information, go ahead and select the Add This Person button. Then we'll be asked our marital status, and then save the information. Next, we can see that we have been added into our household. If we have other members that we would like to be included in our forms or in our household, we need to add another person. If you're the only person that will be pertinent to your new hire paperwork, go ahead and select Finished Adding Persons. I'll show you how to add another person for example. Let's say that in this example, this employee was married, so we're going to enter in their spouse. We want to make sure this information is input accurately and carefully, since it will be considered on tax and insurance information if those are included in our new hire paperwork. Also, know that there are help buttons throughout the system to help you in your paperwork process. If you have questions, go ahead and select the Help button, which will give you additional information, or contact your HR staff or your manager. We can see from here, we select this person's marital status, and then we'll be asked to identify that person's relationship to us. Reginald Pack is the husband. If that is not an accurate relationship, select the appropriate relationship. Then save the information. Now we can see the members of our household have been successfully added. Once we have successfully added all members and can see their information is correct, go ahead and finish adding persons. If there are any mistakes, go ahead and select the Go Back button and correct any errors. Now we'll be asked what members of our household we would like to be included on our forms. So this includes dependents or insurance beneficiaries if that is applicable to you. You can select the Include Everyone box to have everyone auto-checked, or you can select the individuals that you would like to be included. After you select who you'd like to be included, go ahead and select the Save and Continue button. All the forms that have been made available to us by our HR staff will show. This automatically takes you into the screens where you can fill out the appropriate forms. And know that this information that you have just filled out in your household will be populated across the multiple forms. And that is how you set up your household in your 321Forms account. To see additional help or tutorials on how to fill out your forms, please select the Fill Out Forms tutorial. Congratulations on setting up your household, and thank you for your use of 321